Hi everyone, it's Simon Ahmed here with episode 9 of Q&A with QuneUp. Today's question is, are there any safety factors that I need to consider when I'm performing this SOP? Answer, the safety consideration section. For the heavy mechanical equipment typically seen in the pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, it's important to include all applicable safety considerations to that SOP. So, some things to think about. Is there any equipment cross traffic in the area where this SOP is being performed? Will this SOP require working at elevated heights? Does the process equipment need to be locked out and tagged out, lockout, tag out prior to performing the SOP? Are there any machine safety guards for SOPs involving rotary equipment? These are just a few of the questions you need to consider when fleshing out the safety considerations of the SOP. The goal is to have every operator, maintenance technician, electrician, warehouse manager, production manager, QC lab analyst, everyone leave the facility the same way they entered. Safety considerations, it's important. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.